best buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I love making everything that has to do with junk journals, and if this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. Speaking of subscribers, I have a 500 subscriber giveaway. Shout out to Nancy, Maybelline, Joyce, Elsa, Sue, Michelle, Robin, and Lori. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys, the last video we did some gel printing, and I wanted to show you what I did today. I took those gel prints and I coffee dyed them, and I beat dyed them, and I just wanted to show you how they turned out. So I think they're lovely. I'm going to make a spring journal out of these. So the way I did it was, first I put my coffee dye on the back page, not the page with the paint, and then I flipped it over and I put the coffee dye on the side with the paint, and that's how it went in the oven, with the paint side up. I didn't have any problems with the paint getting sticky or anything. This one's so cool, isn't it? Super cool. How about this one? Oh my, I love that one. This one, and I have a couple more to show you. So you can do that with your jelly prints. Just coffee dye them. So I would like to make some tags today. So here's a piece of coffee dyed paper. I did a little bit of faint stamping on it, and I did back this one with a piece of coffee dyed paper because I'm going to make a tag out of this one. The others I'm just going to use as my journal pages. So we need to cut this up to make our tags, and I'm going to do that right now. Alright guys, I went ahead and I cut them up. I cut them in different sizes so I could have different size tags. And then I went ahead and I did a big one so that I plan on folding this in half and making a little booklet to go inside of my journal. So let's go ahead and work on this bigger one right here, and let's ink up the edges. I hope everyone, well, first I guess we need to take a little bit off the corner. Which way do we want it? This way or this way? I think I want it this way. I'm just going to take a little bit off the corner, and I'm going to turn it around and take that little bit off of this side as well. You guys, it's freezing cold here today. The sun is shining again, which that is wonderful, but it is really chilly. And I hope everyone's doing well today, and if not, I hope that turns around very, very quickly for all of you who are going through things. So let's just do this quickly. I do love gel printing, as you saw in my last video. I had so many comments about, oh, you were having so much fun. Yeah, I do have so much fun. So, okay. I did not coffee dye. When I was gel printing, I did this piece of notebook paper, of book paper, I should say. And I thought it would be an awesome accent for this, the colors that I was using in my tag yesterday. Not my tag yesterday, those are not the words I want to say. In the gel printing, I stayed with the same colors because I did have in mind that I wanted to make a journal out of it, a spring journal. And so this tag is going to go in the spring journal, and then the back of it, I'm going to show you what that looks like. Isn't that beautiful? I'll pull it down just a little bit. It just looks, that's so pretty. Okay, so I thought we would put this book page here, and then I thought I'd put this piece of ephemera here, and then let's get that glued down. Get myself a glue page here, and this down. Oh, I see there's two pages here. It's a glue page that I did that too yesterday when I was doing my gel printing. Get this out of the way. I thought it might look really nice right here. I like to get it fairly straight. There we go. Let me turn it. Oh yes, that's lovely. We'll just go ahead and trim off this base here. There's a little bit at the top. We're going to trim that off as well. There. Now, I would like to go ahead and put this beautiful piece of ephemera flowers on there. Goodness gracious. Okay. Let's put that, I'm going to put it up just kind of like right there, I do believe. Have some extra glue on there. All right, that's looking really pretty, don't you think, guys? I love these colors. I think they really say spring. They really do. Okay, guys, my phone was ringing, but there was no one there, so we will continue on. I think that looks beautiful. I think I would like to add some of this lace. Isn't this a beautiful color? I think this would look lovely on here. Maybe even have a little bit of it hanging off. Let's give that a try. Let's go ahead and put some of this glue right here. I need to warm it up a little bit. This is going to take too long. So next we'll come back to that. I wanted to put on these words. It says encourage one other and build each other. Build each other, yes. So I'd like to put those encouraging words on my card as well. And I would like to put it going, it's still not stuck down all the way, maybe going this way, maybe like that. I think that looks very pretty. So let me get a different page to glue on. I'm going to lay a little bit of ink down on this. This is Gathered Twigs, Tim Holtz Gathered Twigs. There. I think that will look better on there. Yes, that does. That looks much better. So let's go ahead and put that on. I put my glue on my lap to warm it up. I found that that's the only way that it will come out nicely for me. There we go. Now, let's go ahead and put that glue down right here. Yes, it's coming out just fine now. I am using fabric tack. I like to use it just for about everything. Glue sticks and I have issues with glue sticks. I think I pushed down on them too hard. I think it's a user error. I don't think it has anything to do with the little glue stick. Alrighty, so let's turn it this way. There you go, you can see. And I am going to overlap it just a little bit so I can make a fresh cut on the edge. Let's put that down just like that. Oh my, I think that's going to look just beautiful. Go ahead and give it a cut. Turn it over and cut this side as well. Oh goodness gracious, is that beautiful? I think it's beautiful. Let's make us a little So what I want, a little pull on the top out of the same material. I am going to give that just a little stitch and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, I went ahead and I stitched the top and I went ahead and I stitched both sides. I think that looks beautiful. And it's out of our gel print paper that we did just yesterday. Oh you guys, I had so much fun and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!